nero nyamware konyara bali more runo gwanza kwina mongo
bono nigo okoborigwa kwarure gochia asabarai borogongo rwagusi naboigo onde bwensi ole no moyo bugwancha naboigo okorwa wesana nigoti naboigo kweneke bunango talira bale enkeyo ase okubasira elinde kweneke bunango egenderia bale aso bugima bwabo
mochioyo bwatoboko ngutwarire tugo ganyara ko bato gosaba bali baganyara ko bato konya monuna mwemsie ito nchiche mwempio ito naboigo gavana naboigo nchi gukwanira mama county ekayana nkora rande ngankora konyore abantu batumbugete munaiga ase ko bakonya chi wheelchair akyo bokonyi twaganiri nabo gonyara ko bago kotema nonya nayo no iko barore una babwato bokongubongana nyara ga kigoto konya ogosaba no konya twasabire gaki ntori bwa tugonyara kondi gwensi.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV mbya mwana soroboti rwa senchira yobikirano. Umurego nzubire Samuel Ruto bono ni gabe kirese yoko igwana gati enseri ya Germany na Kenya. Unenchire mu yoko nyara gotwara ubwamatu bujana gotinye ubwamate bwabo. Enenchira gotebera cyo nyara gokonya gokinya mangana renge tobo nchire na uchumi. Gati yari ya Ruto abereka gotebera cyo kubwatira na monensi ya Germany. Ngamono ko ne kibuna abasengo nyara bali mirimo asenseyo. Nabiko ko ne kibuna uchumi ya Kenya kunyara gokina asebirengo Ruto gukwana ni gatebera buno ubwamate bwabo ni kubaragendere gosegeto na komenta muno kubwatikana ali manga barachukirania ane mona sensemo yamagenderero.
Kenya has one of the best human capital resource anywhere in the world. Innovative, creative, hardworking, least supervised. That's what you get when you work with Kenyan human capital. And that's available in Kenya, and we can also export it to Germany. That's number one. Number two is that Kenya has a fiscal and incentive ecosystem in our special economic zones, in our export promotion zones, that gives incentives both in taxes and in other incentives that allows German enterprises and other enterprises to thrive and to work in a space where they can remit their profits without challenge, and they can work in Kenya without unnecessary impediment. Number three is that we are the gateway to Africa. Kenya is a signatory to the East African Community Framework that has 330 million people. We are signatories to the Tripartite Agreement that brings together 26 countries with a population of 750 million people. And Kenya is a signatory to Africa Continental Free Trade Area that opens the African market of 1.4 billion.
Na Ruto boigoni ganyara gotogensi ya Germany kubwatikana nere ya ringese ntangani asoko nyara kubwatira na nensi ya Kenya maegensi ya Kenya konyara konyorobo sibole ukwana sirito kole ya Ruto ni gabaga komenta una goetera asoko kubwatana wensi ya Germany na Kenya mbacho wikirania mange karokeli Ruto anyara komurekera buna enenchiremo yoko nyara gosira na wikirania magendero gati ya Kenya na Germany na boni gate bire bunu mutinyo komina kaberensi ya Kenya ikigo aliganie bikarobene ebono birarenga obwamate obuya gati ya Germany na Kenya asata biruno musangirikano orabe Kenya German Summit aiga sense ya Kenya se nyamagacho akesisin asabranyara komorekrana kibaragendere kubwaterana gatiense ya Germany na Kenya.
In the context of where we come from, Germany became the first country to recognize Kenya's independence, and therefore there is a historic relationship and a firm foundation that has been built between Kenya and Germany. That relationship has been built in many areas, relationship between our institutions of higher learning, our diplomatic relationship between people to people, spanning trade, investment, manufacturing, entrepreneurship. And I'm very happy that later this year, in December, we will be having a summit, a Kenya-German summit in Nairobi, again, to discuss opportunities for expanding our cooperation between
na umwaziri wa mangana arengetekerero na boigo no bosombe asenseri ya Germany begukira na se karukiri tukale chenga choko bekese yo kwigwana na kubwatana kati ya Kenya na Germany asireta Daniela Lukat ni gobono abereka gote abuna bagandra gwikirania bokorri bwabo na gwikirania amange aiga sense ya Kenya okubwatana na samngana yo bonchori ngati yari batebere baguchigutingia mono asense ya Kenya na Germany abo komurekera mangana yo wekinia ekerero ze digitali asibe gati ya mangana bosombe na chikokiri gokiandike komi gati ense ya Germany na Kenya.
As we focus on its potential, we must take note of Kenya's really remarkable digital transformation. Often referred to as a Silicon Savannah, Kenya has emerged as a leading hub of innovation in Africa. And this progress, I think, is a direct result of Kenya's forward-thinking policies and an investment in digital skills. This has positioned the country as a leader of digital talent in Africa. Today, businesses around the world are increasingly taking note of Kenya's skilled workforce, and many are already tapping into it. So now is an opportune moment for the German economy to intensify its relationship with Kenya businesses. And as you know, with the rapid digitalization of economies, comes the challenge of ensuring that we have the right talents to support and sustain the growth we have. The growing demand of skilled workers in Germany, particularly in the tech industry, presents an opportunity for collaboration with countries like Kenya, which boasts a young, educated workforce ready to contribute through remote work. The Kenyan digital economy, with its flourishing sectors such as IT services, software development, and customer support, offers unique opportunities for German businesses. Leveraging Kenya's highly skilled professionals through businesses process outsourcing addresses the pressing labor shortage that we have here in Germany. And it all
na gotigana yogati ya bara yikurwa sensemeria ya Mount Kenya bono ni gobarro kandire agotugutera chinkono cha yomokonyo muri wenser gadiga shago bunakobo omondogeri wensemu ya Mount Kenya gati ya bara yabu ni gobatebere bunani gobalengetena ni gobaganire oyo kabiru muwaziri anabogo muwaziri ya sensemeria elengete ose kabiru muwaziri asensemeria yobolendo emekitore kindiki anyara koba omondogeri wensemu ya Mount Kenya kolengana na gati ya bara yabu ni gobatebere buna ni go bono chikoli bagalia bene ucha sekretary kindiki adukenyara kobo monogari yobo nagotugutera chinkwana chaye omukonyo murewen serigadiga shawa asawate abunani gagandrete kumurekera siasa chobo choli bo 2027 engana batugutera nagote abona sawono nigobagana temangana rengete amagendero
ofisi ile ya Professor Kindiki ambaye anafuatilia mambo ya progress ya project, na tumesema yeye ako na ofisi na ako na ile infrastructure ya kuhakikisha project zote zile ziko region hii ni lazima tuwe tunapatiwa update, kwa sababu wananchi walichagua hii serikali na wakatuuliza tukiingia kwa hii serikali tuhakikishe wao wamepata matunda ya hii serikali yetu.
Tumejaribu kufuata, lakini tukaona agenda ambayo iko na tuliyoaminia ni tofauti na ile sisi tuko nayo, kwa sababu sisi tunaamini ya kwamba Wanjiku aliyetutuma na aliyetuchagua kuna mambo alikuwa anataka tuyatimize, na mambo haya lazima tuyalobi mpaka kwa president kumkumbusha ahadi ilikuwa hii na hii na hii na tunataka itimike.
Ministry yake inaitangwa Interior and National Coordination. So ndio tunasema sasa hapo pahali pa coordination atoke afanye kazi na nguvu, coordinate kila pahali hizi miradi zote, masoko, mabarabara, affordable housing, maji, activities zote za serikali. Sasa atokelezee, aende kwa mwananchi, ndio coordinate. Sasa hii kamati ndio iweze kuingia mashinani na ndio
na chinga kechupa igo omubunge Kimani Ichung'wah ni ganyare kagote buna mbali gochugwanchirana omokonyo murewen serigati gashawa konyara gotumeka nsemo ya Mount Kenya so konyara kwerigeria ubura nabo igo nensemo yowekinia sensemeri ya siasa kolengana ne ganyare kuboria barai ko ene kibuna senga keyega obochori obone botere ko mwaka bwikiri bubure na 2025 nebere ose 2027 ngone kibalengo ikani baramanga na magendero na gotigana siasa chobo chori obone bole bosyo kolengana na Kimani Ichung'wah ni gabereka go singera na gote buna ni gobone ensemo ya Mount Kenya tari gochigwanja gotume kwa na murayonde bwensi asiganga yokonyarwe ya kerekoko asamngana rengeta magendro egochinga kecha nyaragote yabuna asobochoro muri bosio igensemo ya Mount Kenya egochigwo itaberana ningo ogochiko ira ekerogose goruke bandera yoburai kurwa ensemo ya Mount Kenya na gotugutera are kogani kwayo mukonyo muri wensi Rigathi Gachagua.
Kenya na diaspora yetu walioko Nakuru na hata Lamu, tutazingatia na kuangalia mambo yetu ya maendeleo, sio mambo ya siasa na wanasiasa wanaotaka kutumia jamii yetu kujitafutia uongozi na makuu yao wenyewe bila kujali palipo wananchi waliotuchagua. Ndio tumeungana leo tukiwa wabunge 48. Tukasema vile wale wengine kutoka Meru, Embu na Tharaka Nithi walisema, tunataka kiongozi atakaye tuleta pamoja sisi wote, atusaidie kutuunganisha na serikali kuu kufuatilia miradi yetu ya maendeleo, barabara ziliokwama, watu kuwekewa stima manyumbani kwao, shule zetu kustawi, watu kupata maji manyumbani, barabara zetu, ili tufanikishe yale mambo ambayo tuliwaambia wakati tuliwaomba kura. Na tukasema kwa heshima, hatuna vita na mtu yeyote ama kiongozi yeyote. Hata yule anayetaka kusimama urais mwaka wa 2027, pia yeye ni Mkenya, awe ni wa hapa, awe ni wa kwingine, akitaka kuunda marafiki na marafiki wengine, atafute serikali nyingine. Sisi watu wa hapa Mlima Kenya asituingize kwa mipango yake ya kibinafsi ya kujitafutia na tukose yale tungepata kwa hii serikali. Kwanza tuvune hii, ikifika 2027 nyinyi ndio wenye kusema.
Na kira yubono again reta tumule kirango chinse mochinde omuinspector wa nyimbo IG inspector of police oyibono ole buko bwaterera gosa acting ligobono abeirega kumuchigwa na gukumiruge sibo kemiti nyitano nomo yongo bwatikana ko na mamincha no kogania weke gambero kolengana no mona chebi na Lawrence Mugambi nigobona agote yabuna nigo babere bakumurangeria omu inspector yo aseke gambero asechintunde sano na ibere atanyo weka bosibeke gambero ayunga tiamo mochare mo bwaterenti asoka na mamincha neke gambero magayo kwalika ni wichintunde sano na ibere atarugikira na bosio ubweke gambero kolengana no kono chwekera na siri tukolia robono ni gabwente go twa iga akumiruge sibo kemetienyi etano nomo asechera goika obere ga goikia bosio bekagambero nabo ni gobate abuna abwente goikia abwente ko irere byo komanyene goika ase chinyomba cyo basibwa gose prisons ase nshemeli Nairobi elikonyara kobe kubyara nago koba ase gisibo kimiti 5 nomo niko chinga ke chibono anyara kumubolia omwaziri bobolendweme kone kibuna nkubwati yalenganeyo elikone kibuna omu inspector wabanya nyimbo oyole boko bwatera gosa acting IG obere kago tigara gasibire ase emetinyi 5 nomo libosio kubwatikana noko genda mamincha nerichiko asogo teka bosio wakagambero wekachintunde isano na ibere. Wanchumuligiri bono kera yuagendreta borokyo batana no moni gomono basuri mabwa basari tukoli alero anemona se ebara yakti uchinsemo chiricha kibwezi karenga naba nyimbo ni gateka no gari ya Brobox ni gomono yasiriyo boroso nako batacha batana no mawo barenge mbarabare ne bara goika agosiria obugima bwabo bire yabo ni gachiri asinye getari ya mochinsemo cha kibwezi ekera kiriyo botukiwe mabwagendreta igoro yegari yo konyara gosirio boroso
Gilbert Masengeri is sentenced to 6 months imprisonment. Mr. Masengeri is ordered to submit himself to the Commissioner General of Kenya Prisons to ensure that he is to be committed to a prison facility.
Wanchumuligiri bono narayo semargoba ya bono ayo munanda mange chikora gaisa to chebono botuko no chikuya nyora asenchera yobo ikira no bali kwita mbagenda to kwalekania mange aenda cho kumanya seri bona ko ya sansamura na ikaro chora gaisa to chebono botuko byamona soko chora gatengana Ndizi TV egesero ama ya ense ya muri to bwata na gwetera somo ndo imanyereri gakoro kwa Lydia Mose Sara Mumanyi ane kibuna chibi chamuri cha wikera asenchera yobo ikira no mtandao na watamba Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na bagenza meli ya YouTube tonyaro buna Ndizi TV website kuna watamba www.ndizitv.net Tombana nisato, eterana nchenkro kwa Vincent Onyanchao.